Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with Fantail Stitch, and this stitch requires multiples of 10 plus 1 foundation chains, and it is a 4-row repeat pattern. For making the small sample I have used Mauve Hobby Store Iron 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, medium weight 4 with color code 2039. So I shall make the number of chains required and get back to you. For this I am going to use my 5.5 mm Amor hook. I have made 20 plus 1 plus 1, 22 chains. To begin with, make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. This is the first row. One single crochet in the next chain. And then skip 3 chains, 1 2 3, and make 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. This is 3 double crochet V stitch. 1 2 3 double crochets done, chain 1, 3 double crochets in the same chain. Now skip 3 chains. So this one, the next one will be a little hidden, so you don't forget to count this chain. 1 2 3 chains. Make a single crochet here, chain 1, skip 1 single crochet in the next, and again skip 3 and make 3 DC V stitch. 1 2 3 chain 1, 3 DC. All in the same chain. Now you will be ideally left with 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 3 and place 1 single crochet in each of the last 2 chains. Turn your work, row 2, place 2 half double crochets in the very first stitch. 1 and 2 half double crochets, second half double crochet, chain 3, single crochet in chain 1 space of the 3 DCV stitch, chain 3, half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet in the chain 1 space between the 2 single crochets, chain 1 and a half double crochet. Here we did 1 SC, chain 1 SC in the first row. In this chain 1 space we are placing 1 half double crochet, 1 chain and 1 half double crochet. Now again chain 3, 1 2 3, and you have a chain 1 space between the 3 DC sets. So in that chain 1 space make 1 single crochet, again chain 3 and place 2 half double crochets in the last stitch. Having done this, turn your work. You can either chain 3 or start with a double crochet. I am going to start with a double crochet. Pull up the chain, twist, insert, This is my double crochet, standing double crochet, 1, and place 3 more here. One, 2, and 3. So we are ideally having 4 half double crochets in this corner, and then place 1 single crochet in the chain 3 chain space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Again, in the half double crochet V stitch, place 3 DC V stitch, 1, 2, 3 DCs, chain 1, 3 DCs. This is row 3 we are doing. Now again, single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and then place 4 double crochets in the last stitch here. That is our first turning DC, HDC, sorry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now chain 1 and turn. Place a single crochet in the very first stitch, chain 3, and in this chain 1 space between the 2 single crochets, place a half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet. Sorry. Chain 3, single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 3, again in the chain 1 space between the single crochets you are making half double crochet V stitch. So we are basically working with V stitches and creating the fantail. And then chain 3, and with a single crochet on the last stitch here. So 1, 2, so we have completed the fourth row here. Now turn your work, 5th row, row 5, chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the first single crochet under chain space, and then we have the half double crochet V stitch. There we are going to make our 3 DC V stitch. Again, single crochet in the chain space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain space, that is 3 chain space, and make 3 DC V stitch in the next half double crochet V stitch. 3DC V stitch is 3DC, chain 1, 3DC, all in the same place. Now place a single crochet under the 3 chain space and single crochet in the last stitch here. So the pattern repeat is repeat patterns 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this I have done with 2 repeats, 2 pattern repeats. So this is how the stitch looks. This is a great stitch for any project that you like, and it is close knit also. It's not it doesn't have too many gaps or wide gaps. It fits in snugly with for any tops or baby frocks, baby frock products, blankets, and you can make small squares and join them as you go and make a beautiful pattern out of it, and you can have the color changes too here. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every day. Thank you friends. Have a great day. Bye now.